everyone, and welcome to Sweet Pieces Inspirations. My name is Sydney, and today we are going to be working on the Eyelet Ridge Knit Stitch, which is going to be a 2-row repeat. Now, the stitches that you are going to need to know in today's tutorial is how to do a knit stitch, how to do a purl, along with a yarn over and a knit 3 together in the back loop only. Now, if you don't know how to do the knit 3 together in the back loop only, I will show you how to do that in today's tutorial. So you will need to go ahead and cast on a multiple of 6 plus 3. Now, the 3 extra additive stitches is to count for our edges to making sure they are both in uniform. And this stitch, it is different from front and back. So the front side, you will see there is the garter stitch along with these eyelets and the ridges. And then the back side has the stockinette with the eyelets and the back side of the ridges. So we will be starting off on the front side of our work. And once you have those multiple of 6 plus 3 cast-ons made, we can go ahead and start working on the first row repeat. Now again, we will be working on the front side starting off. So for row number 1, we are going to start off with a purl 3. So go ahead and purl 3. And now for our repeat unit. We are going to start off with a yarn over. Now when you do your yarn over, you want to make sure that you're going from front to back and not back to front, making sure you're going from front to back. Once you have that yarn over completed, we are going to do a knit 3 together in the back loop only. So it's just like a regular knit in the back loop, so picking up this back loop here and then you'll knit that, but instead of just doing 1 stitch, we are going to do 3. So go ahead and pick up those 3 back loops with your right hand knitting needle, and then you'll just go ahead and knit those 3 together. And sometimes this stitch can be a little tight to get into. So once you have that knit 3 together in the back loop only, we are going to go ahead and do another yarn over the same way, and then we are going to purl 3. So that is the repeat unit. Again, we're going to go ahead and yarn over, making sure you're yarning over from front to back. And then we are going to do the knit 3 together in the back loop only. So picking up those 3 back loops and then knit those 3 together. And then we're going to do another yarn over and purl 3. So again, that is the repeat unit. One more time. Yarn over. Knit 3 together in the back loop only. Yarn over again, and you will leave off with a purl 3. So that was the first row repeat. For the second row repeat, we're going to go ahead and turn our work. And we are going to go ahead and start the repeat unit. So we are going to start off with a knit 3. So 1, 2, and 3. And then we're going to purl 3. So 1, 2, and 3. Again, the repeat unit. Knit 3, and then purl 3. And sometimes you want to be careful because that yarn over from the previous row sometimes will cross over top of that knit 3 together. So you just want to be kind of mindful of your stitches sometimes. Purl 3 and then knit 3. So go ahead and continue repeating that until you have made it to the last 3 stitches. And those last 3 stitches we are going to do a knit 3. So I have came to my last 3 stitches, and I'm going to go ahead and knit those 3 stitches. And those are the 2 row repeats for the Eyelet Ridge Stitch, which gives it a nice little lacy look, but not too lacy, for maybe a scarf or a hat or anything that you really would like to use this for. If you did enjoy this tutorial today, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, comment, or subscribe. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.